I am Professor Golab AM, currently working in the Fulton Education Society's College of Engineering Fulton. Today, we are going to discuss about our one experiment from the first year B.Tech students, which is PN junction diode and their characteristics. In this particular experiment, we are going to discuss about the characteristics of the PN junction diode. We know the PN junction diode means the two type of the semiconductor materials joined together to form a junction. And whenever we are applying the voltage to that two terminals of this PN junction diode, we are getting the various characteristics here. In this experiment, we are going to discuss about the forward bias characteristics of this PN junction diode. So, whenever we are connecting the positive terminal of the battery to the p-type semiconductor and negative terminal of the battery to the n-type semiconductor, this type of the joining, this type of the biasing is known as the forward bias. And in the next, during the experiment, we are applying the various variable voltage to that PN junction diode, and at certain level, it tries to hide that current. In certain level voltage, it does not flow any current in that particular circuit, but after some voltage is applied by us to that particular diode, it starts to flow the current in that particular circuit. So, in this experiment, we are going to study these characteristics, the switching characteristics of this PN junction diode. So, this is our setup for this PN junction diode characteristics. This is the variable supply. This is the resistance. This is our PN junction diode, and with the help of this connecting wires, we have connected here two measuring devices. First is the milliammeter and another is the voltmeter. So milliammeter, we have the range between 0 to 50 milliammeter, and in the voltmeter we have range between 0 to 1 volt. So in this case, we are studying here, come forward please. In this case, the each and one division of this voltmeter, we are getting here 0.02 volt. So if we flow, or if we do the 5 divisions to that particular voltmeter, we are getting here 0.1 volt. So we will start our experiment. We have to move this knob, and we have to move this knob up to 0.1 volt. We have set here the 0.1 volt voltage, and we have to observe this milliammeter, and there is no change in this milliammeter. Similarly, we are going to the 0.2, 0.3. Now we are going to the 0.3. Still there is no change in this particular milliammeter.